True Colours, Cyndi Lauper was a classic song that I always remembered in the 80s that I absolutely loved. And of course, it was so befitting of the whole theme that it just had to be sung by the Lucas and Dulux teams, with singing their hearts out and really showing their true colours of the great causes that are happening, both individually and in businesses. Well, the motivation that it's given everybody that's contributed to this is massive. I mean, you know, at a time when you could argue that the news is very negative and people are feeling very worried, what we've done is we've created a positive world, but also True Colours has harnessed and made everybody feel that we've now got a purpose to be back at work, to reach out, to protect others, to help everybody continue to work safely, but to also give to a good cause. So it's really given us a true purpose as a business.
Show me a smile.
Alistair Macaulay, the managing director of Dulux, and I have a great business relationship. And of course, Alistair's very much into good causes. He's already volunteered himself for NHS work, and it's all about acts of kindness. We umbrella all of that under True Colours, which harnesses everything that we can look back on and be proud of as a legacy that we leave behind the coronavirus era, and know that we did everything we possibly could to improve lives and add colour.